Hello everyone, welcome to Edwin. In this video, we'll learn how to add an image to a web page and display that on your web page using a HTML tag. And we'll discuss the other attribute parts in the next video. But for now, to keep this interesting, we'll learn how to add images and how to display that on your web page. So let's start this. So firstly, let's do it from beginning so that it will be a quick revision. So HTML open tag, HTML close tag. And yes, here. Yeah. Body tag is open and it's closed. Now, here, in order to add an image, you'll open this bracket and type IMG space SRC. SRC. That is equal to, within the quotes, we'll have to mention the location and the name and the extension of the image file. So let's close this with the bracket. So now let's come to the location of the file and right click and go to properties, and there in the general tab you have something called location. First, you'll have to copy the complete location. So it is here on the desktop in a new folder. So we have copied that. And I come here to the notepad. And within the quotes I'm copy pasting it. And after the complete location, you put here. Here you're going to add a backslash. And you're going to copy paste the name of the file with the extension. So let's go to the file location once again and click on the file and click on rename. And let's copy the name of the file. And when we come here, after the backslash, you're going to copy paste the name of the file. And here you will have to mention the extension of the file. So we'll come here to the file location and again click on properties, and here under the general tab you can see the type of the file. It is .jpg. It is JPG. So we'll come to the text editor. Yeah, here at the end you're going to type .jpg and you're going to file, save as, you will save this as new file 100, or you can give any name you want, .html, and here don't forget to save it as all files. Remember it's new file 100 now, and save. Once it is saved, I'll go to the location and right click, open with Internet Explorer. I've maximized the window, and as you can see, the image is now visible on your web page. I hope this helps, and we'll once again learn how to add an image to your web page that is on, and how to display that on your web page in further videos, and also learn how to adjust the height and width, and we'll also learn other attributes related to this. We'll meet in the next video. Have a wonderful time ahead.